Open Capcut Video Editor. Then add your desired project. Play your project to check where to add watermark of your brand name. Once you decided, click on Add Text, then add your brand name. Now, adjust the opacity, adjust until your desired setting. Adjust the size to make it more suitable for the aspect ratio of your video. If you want your watermark in whole video, touch and drag it until the end of video. Or if you want in some segment of video, duplicate then drag and place where you want the watermark to appear. Now it's done. Export your video. Then go to File, Manage, Camera, Sim, then open and play back the video. If all okay, then you can add it to your video portal. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials.